How to connect Eero to an Xfinity modem. So using an Eero router or a mesh system with your Xfinity modem can pretty much just increase your coverage. So you can either use the modem in bridge mode or basically the wireless one, or you could even use an Ethernet wire, depending if your Eero extender has it. But first of all, you can go ahead to your mobile device and get the app. This way you can pretty much connect it much easier. So in your Play Store, go ahead and search for Eero over here and just go ahead and install the Eero Home Wi-Fi system. So in the Eero app, you should be able to get specific instructions on the specific Eero extender model that you're going to use. So just go ahead and base everything from the app itself, since every instruction and every step will be shown to you specifically. So you can also allow permissions as well. It should help you and optimize yourself and make it more efficient in the long run. But here it's gonna ask you if you're new to Eero, and expectedly you should probably be. Then just go ahead and create a new Eero account by pressing on the new to Eero button. So you can go ahead and continue with Amazon or continue with email or phone. Now inside the app, you should have two options with your device, either a wireless connection or a wired connection. So the wireless connection, it should just be shown on what steps you're going to do, but for the wired one, you're going to need a specific item, which of course you should already have the routers and the Eero extender. What you're going to need for extra is an Ethernet cable. So you're going to have to plug it in this side, which should just be an Ethernet slot for your extender and to your router. So find the Ethernet LAN or slot for your router, which should just be found in the back of the router, and it should be color coded as yellow most of the time. Connect it both and then finally go with the connection process that is still found inside the Eero app. But again, it's all found in the app itself, so you can go ahead and proceed there. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you with the process of connecting your Eero to an Xfinity modem. So if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.